Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to hide photos and videos on your iPhone 17 Pro. Sometimes you want to keep certain photos or videos private, and for this on your iPhone 17 Pro you have built-in feature hidden album. So let's go to my photos, and I need to go to specific photo or video that I want to hide. For example, let it be this one, and all I have to do now is tap 3-dot button in the top right corner of my screen and select option to hide, and of course confirm my decision by tapping hide photo. And to view these items that you hidden, you have to go to collections tab at the bottom side of your screen and scroll down to utilities section. As you can see, my section utilities, and go to hidden. And this album is protected by Face ID or your passcode, so only you can unlock it. Enter your passcode or scan your face, and this is the album with all your hidden photos. Additionally, if you want extra privacy, you can go to settings, and then you have to go to applications and find photos from this list, and if you scroll down you will see an option show hidden album. So you want to disable this, and let's go back to photos, and in my utilities section I will not see my hidden section. It's simply not there. And if you want to switch back, if you want to access your hidden photos, if you disable this, you have to turn this feature on so that you could see your hidden album. And let's go back to utilities, and now this section with my hidden photo is back. So yeah, that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.